Whether you're an aspiring DJ, producer, sound designer, working a 9-to-5 job, or music industry professional, Point Blank's online degree programs are designed to help you master your craft at your pace, on your schedule, from anywhere in the world. You choose when you want to do it. In this video, we'll take you inside our online learning experience, how it works, and what makes Point Blank's approach truly stand out. Throughout the degree, you'll receive up to 5 tutorials in each module. These are one-to-ones with your lecturer and are designed to support you with your coursework. It will help to keep you on track and ensure that you have the best possible experience. The response that the lecturer gives is completely tailored to the student's style of music. I've had students in Australia, Japan, America, anywhere in Europe. You can really study anywhere in the world.
One of the best parts about studying online is being able to take my learning anywhere. Even when I'm on the move, I can keep up with lessons at my own pace. Since I've got my laptop, I can apply what I'm learning straight away. I can still get feedback from tutors and connect with other producers, no matter where I am. The flexibility makes it easy to stay consistent and keep improving.
Every lecturer here is an industry professional. You're learning from people who've released records, toured the world, scored films, worked in high-end studios. That's really what gives our teaching its edge.
Those who can't get to London or one of the other campuses for whatever reason, mobility reasons, financial, whatever the case may be, you can do it right from where you are and still get the same point blank experience. It's the same lecturers that teach at the campuses, so you're not going to be short on any of the knowledge or experience from those lecturers.
Our online platform connects you with professional lecturers, personalised feedback, and a global community of aspiring artists and producers, where world-class music education meets the flexibility of online learning. Our commitment to excellence has been recognised with a TEF Gold rating for teaching quality, one of the highest distinctions in UK higher education. Part of the skill of our lecturers is to adapt to different levels of ability. There are some students who really are quite advanced and others who come in at a basic level, so it's amazing to see how well they progress.
They're DJs, they're singers, they're producers, they're sound engineers, like just different people from different kind of walks of life and what they want to achieve in music. And yeah, I definitely found that we could collaborate.
I got some students who put their kids to bed and then they start going through the content at night. I've got some students who are, going through it at 5 in the morning, midday. So the online course offers a lot of flexibility for students to basically learn where they want and when they want.
So everything's built around our virtual learning environment, or VLE. That's where you'll access your course materials, submit assignments, watch recordings of your sessions, download bonus content, and connect with your classmates. It's really the heart of your learning experience.
Alongside your regular weekly masterclasses, we also offer one-off masterclasses, and we cover topics such as artist identity, marketing 101, branding, exploring sound design, and looking at features in Ableton and Logic Pro.
We hope this video has given you a bit of an insight on what it's like to study here at Point Blank Music School. If you want to find out more, check out pointblankmusicschool.com.